Hello, my name is Amber Mitchell, and I work at Center Elementary in Waycross, Georgia. I am a special education co-teacher in 2nd and 3rd grade where I teach reading and math. I'm currently seeking my master's degree in instructional technology at Kennesaw State University. Personally, this program has helped me in the areas of organization and multitasking. I'm currently a student, a teacher, a softball and basketball coach, as well as preparing to be a mommy for the first time. I have definitely learned how to multitask and do all these things to the best of my ability. Professionally, this program has helped me become a better teacher and coworker. I'm able to incorporate technology into the classroom as well as share ideas with others that I work with. I am able to mentor others as well as work with them to integrate technology and show them what I have been taught throughout this program. Throughout the course of this program, I have been involved in several different field experiences so far. One of the main field experiences that sticks with me the most is one where I had to coach my 3rd grade team. Um, I coached them on different Web 2.0 tools that we could use and incorporate into our classrooms. It went really well, and by doing this, I really got the idea and thought that one day I really do want to be an instructional technology coach. It was very engaging and very fun for myself and my 3rd grade team as well. Throughout this program at Kennesaw, I have gained a vast amount of knowledge and understanding of what an instructional technology facilitator really is. I believe that if I was hired as an instructional technology coach at my school or any school, that I would do a wonderful job and I would fulfill the needs of my coworkers. I would ensure that I created relationships and put their needs first. I would also continue to research best practices for technology and ensure that I was able to constantly train them and teach them how to use the new technologies that come available. Um, as a technology coach, I would also, have great organizational skills. That's one of the main keys as an instructional technology coach is, being organized and showing great leadership skills. As far as my short-term goals, I plan to continue to grow as a teacher. I feel like I have room to grow there, to incorporate technology into the classroom. So as far as that goes, I feel like that is one of my major goals right now is to just continue to incorporate technology and to teach my, coworkers and coach them and train them on incorporating technology as well. My long-term goals, which really excites me, um, I hope and plan to one day be a system-wide instructional technology coach. My personality is very bubbly and outgoing, so I would love to go to different schools because we have 5 different elementary schools, 2 middle schools, and 1 high school in our district. So for me, I would love to travel to these different schools and work with the many different teachers that we have to show them and train them and coach them about the technology that they will be able to use in their classrooms.